last 3 outings, and last time out against the Rangers, a loss, but he pitched a competitive ball game against that lineup, allowed 10 hits, 3 runs, walked a couple while striking out 4. He has an ERA of 2.24. That's good for 9th best in the National League.
Ground ball third. 2 hopper to Chris Johnson. Firing to Altuve. Then a low throw to Lee. Double play. 5-4-3. Swing and a miss. Barney strikes out. Number 1 for Wandy.
Charming old ballpark.
Struck him out. Mather is. He tries to bunt here, and it drops, and Wandy Rodriguez will throw and get him.
Ooh. Good play. Close play.
But it's not looking too rosy for them. They're 11.5 back. And that's a strikeout of Samardzija. Looking back at Tim Cheetah to confirm it's out number 1. 3rd strikeout for Wandy. Hill does not walk much. Usually swinging.
There you go.
And he got him on strikes. Very well done. He made a very exciting trip from 1st to 3rd, diving over Matt Downs. This time a strikeout for Wandy.
Virtually nothing happening.
Out toward right center field. Buck's got a run, and he's there for the catch. It's no runs, no hits, and a man stranded. 7th inning stretch time finds the fans enjoying a 2-1 ball game. Astros.